Hey everyone. I had been sitting in the other room hearing this noise, wondering what it was. Suddenly I came in my laundry room. Okay, that's gotta be a bird, right? It's gotta be a bird in there. How am I gonna get this thing out and go the correct way? Go out the vent. By the way, here's a tip for you. Start moving. Once you move your dryer, you may see some crap underneath it. Now, let's see if we can get this bird or whatever out of here. Unplug this just to get some room back here. I don't want it in there. Oh. There's... Of course it would have to be raining today. Let's see if I can get up in here. Okay. This is a brick. Let's see. How do I... If I could figure out how to open this thing. It should open when the vent's blowing, but... Let's see. See what happens if I can open. All right. Let's see if this little... I'm afraid it's gonna pop out at me. Okay. Now it's open. Come on out. Come on out, bird. Huh. Okay, so I'm going to take one of these little things. Is it on? All right. See where I'm going here? Okay. All right. Now, got the vacuum hooked up. This will turn once I'm outside. I will fire this off so the vacuum will turn on and hopefully the bird will go out here. Maybe I should make this a easier slope for him. Let's try the more of a slope, maybe. I don't know if that made it any more. We'll see what happens. All right, I'll meet you outside. All right, let me show you what I got here. I have under the Coco Melon umbrella my iPad. Okay, let's flip this around. I will be turning on the vacuum from here while trying to open this up from there. Let's see how this goes. All right. I am giving this open. Okay? Open for the bird. Now, we will turn on. Man, this is just as hard to reach. Okay. Okay. We got it open. Come on, look. Zoom. Okay. Here we go. Turning on the vacuum. Here we go. Let's see. Does it scare the bird out? Come on, bird. Okay, so I can tell that it's right in this part. Okay, so I put this trash can so it can no longer go down. Well, I guess if we get scared enough. Hopefully this will vacuum, freak it out. It will have enough power, being a bird, to climb out. Maybe. I don't know. This is as much help as I can give it. So let's see. Okay, we got it open. All right. Now we're going to kick this on. It's on. Nope, it's not on yet. There we go, it's on. Come on, bird, come out. You gotta be kidding me. Well, after all that, I'm gonna try, and what I really didn't want to do, I'm gonna open this end and hopefully catch it in this box. Wish me luck. Here goes nothing. So, get this box ready. So, we're gonna take this off. Hey, what a thing to happen. Alright, now, put this in here. Okay, it is ready to get out. And I'm ready to have it out. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Come on, little bird. Hopefully you're a little bird. Okay. Here's okay. I think it's in here. Have something in here? You gotta be kidding me. It didn't fall out? Well, now it was in the tube. Now it's way, way, way up in there. So we're gonna try the vacuum thing one more time and see if that works. Hopefully it'll work. All right, let's see if I scare it down. Come on. Well, lots of dust out, but no bird. Okay, let's dump this outside just in case. I don't think there's a bird in here, but no, just dryer dust. You're not gonna believe this. I finally caught it. I finally got it. Okay. Okay. Finally, it fell through the hose into my box trap. All right, let's take it outside. Whew. Okay. All right. All right. There. And there you go. Well, I never thought I'd shoot a video like this today, but thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.